hex bolt, hex bolt, hex bolt. Hex bolt has 6 sides. Pentabolt, pentabolt, pentabolt. Pentabolt has 5 sides. Across flats, across flats, the same as spanner size, spanner size. For example, if a cross flat is 10 mm, then the spanner size is 10 mm. Head height, head height. Bolt length, bolt length. Bolt diameter, bolt diameter. Pitch, pitch. Pitch is the distance between threads, expressed in millimeters. For example, if the distance between the thread is 1.5 millimeter, so the pitch is 1.5. In US standard bolt, it's called TPI, thread per inch. TPI. In this case, we see in 1 millimeter there are 6 threads, so the TPI is 6. Fully threaded bolt. Partially threaded bolt. Shank, double end bolt, double end bolt, double end bolt. Eye bolt, eye bolt, eye bolt. U-bolt, U-bolt, U-bolt. Wedge anchor, wedge anchor, wedge anchor. Socket head bolt, socket head bolt, socket head bolt. Carriage bolt, carriage bolt, carriage bolt. Hex nut, hex nut, hex nut. Flange nut, flange nut, flange nut. Nylon lock nut, nylon lock nut, nylon lock nut. Cap nut, cap nut, cap nut. Castle nut, castle nut, castle nut. Jam nut, jam nut, jam nut. Square nut, square nut, square nut. T nut, T nut, T nut. Slotted nut, slotted nut, slotted nut. Wing nut, wing nut, wing nut. Weld nut, weld nut, weld nut. Coupling nut, coupling nut, coupling nut. Wheel nut, wheel nut, wheel nut, barrel nut, barrel nut, barrel nut, rivet nut, rivet nut, rivet nut, flat washer, flat washer, flat washer, fender washer, fender washer, fender washer, external tooth washer, external tooth washer, external tooth washer, internal tooth washer, internal tooth washer, internal tooth washer, finishing washer, finishing washer, finishing washer, sea washer, sea washer, sea washer, Bellafilla washer, Bellafilla washer, Bellafilla washer, spring washer, spring washer, spring washer, wave spring washer, wave spring washer, wave spring washer, tap washer, tap washer, tap washer, machine screw, machine screw, sheet metal screw, sheet metal screw, wood screw, wood screw, self-drilling screw, self-drilling screw, self-tapping screw, self-tapping screw, self-tapping screw, self-drilling screw, self-drilling screw, self-drilling screw, flat, round head, round head, oval head, oval head, Philister head, Philister head, headless, headless, Phillips, Phillips, slot, slot, hexagonal, hexagonal, one way, one way, square, square, torques, torques, dowel pin, dowel pin, dowel pin, retaining ring, retaining ring, retaining ring, set screw, set screw, set screw, threaded insert, threaded insert, threaded insert, rivet, rivet, rivet. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now and have a good day.